The pasuk says, "Lo ta'aleh b'ma'alot al mizbechi." Don't go up on stairs to my mizbeach, to the altar. The altar is a place of korbanot. Korban stands for coming close to God. God says, don't take steps to come close to me. And one beautiful explanation of that is, because the nature of steps is that there's a fixed amount of height of each stair, correct? Each stair is 10 inches, 20 inches, how big the stair is. That means that there's an arbitrary height to how big the stair is. Instead, what do we have to get up to the Mizbeach? We have a ramp. When you're walking up a ramp as opposed to climbing stairs, however big of a step you want to take, fadal, it's good. If you try and take a 5-inch step up when there's a 10-inch step, there's no possibility. You can't. There's no 5-inch option. God says, in coming close to me, there's only ramps, there's no stairs.